Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the book Vegetable Gardening. You can see it's a nice glossy book, nice photo on the front. Special gift to our readers. Inside the first couple of pages, looks like they give you a gift if you email. I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to see that. As with all my purchases, I get nothing for doing these videos. I just like doing videos of items I've ordered on Amazon in case there's somebody thinking about buying the same item and wants to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in. Now I'll say this, I think they're in the process of putting out an updated version of this book that's going to have pictures. You'll notice as I flip through the pages, there's not many pictures. So if you want to hold out for the updated version, that might be a good recommendation. Seven simple steps for planting, including raised beds, potted containers, soil preparation, weed control, and more. So if you're a gardener like me, this might be a good purchase. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.